So this strategy is over 95% win rate. It has over 95% accuracy. I'm not joking. Okay, so I mostly use this strategy at night when I'm done trading or when I'm a bit lazy. I don't want to look at the charts, I don't want to analyze, or I don't want to give signal. I'll just use this to be making money for myself, to scalp and be making money for myself. Okay, so I made so much money with this strategy, so that's why I want to give it out to you guys. Okay, so I want you guys to watch the video to the end to be able to see how to use this strategy and also the settings of this strategy. Okay, yeah, it's your boy Etiforex, the major. We give both indices and currency signals. If you go to our platform, our free platform, you see that we've been giving even free signals and on currency and indices, okay, synthetic indices. So make sure you join the free Telegram channel. All right, so this strategy is for boom and crash. Okay, only boom and crash. You use this strategy to trade boom 1000 and boom crash 1000, and you use it to trade the crash 500 and boom 500, but it shouldn't be always. I have my reasons why, because the winning rates here might not be as good as that of B1000 or crash 1000. Okay, so I'll explain my reasons now before I'll go on. In case you are not aware, look at this B1000 now, crash 1000 now. You can see up here, this level here, you can see what is written there, right? On average, one drop occurs in the price series every 1000 ticks. Okay, in the price series every 1000 ticks. That means at least there will be one drop crash in every 1000 ticks. Ticks are this tiny green candles you're seeing. These are the ticks. Okay, these are the ticks. Okay, all right, so you can see this one goes up for a very long time before it spikes. But if you check something like crash 500. Now look at crash 500. On crash 500, it says here on crash 500, on average one drop occurs in the price series every 500 ticks. So which means the other one is 1000, this one is 500, which means this one spikes more than 1000. Okay, that's why you see it spikes a lot, and the spikes are not that long, just like that of 1000. Okay, its spikes are not long. You can see it has more of tiny spikes because it spikes a lot. If it spikes so much and then it has long spikes like that of 1000, you realize that people will be catching spikes instead of scalping, because it spikes a lot, so you want to sit here and be catching spikes. So that's why the spikes here are not that long. They know what they are doing. All right, so now if you check crash 300 now, you see that crash 300 is just 300, one drop in every 300 ticks. Okay, so on average one drop occurs in the price series every 300 ticks, right? Which means that this one spikes more than even the crash 500. Okay, so you can see those tiny spikes. Right? So which means if it spikes like this, and it's long spikes like that of 1000, it will be a lot of people. Me, I will not even want to scalp. I will be staying there to catch spikes. So this one spikes a lot. Okay, it spikes a lot. So now what am I trying to say here is that crash 1000 can move for like 4 hours without a single spike. I'm not joking. I've witnessed this. I've seen 3 hours 40 something minutes before without a single spike. How did I know? I was on that trade. This guy moved. I was having a class, then I opened the position. When I was considering, I forgot. So when I went back and I realized this guy did not spike, God, I counted the minutes, the ticks, because each tick is one minute. It gave me over 3 hours and there was no single spike. So what I'm trying to say here is that, bro, this guy spikes. This one spikes a lot. But crash 1000 can go 4 hours without a single spike. B1000 the same thing. So when you're scalping these ones here, it's risky because it can spike at any time. And this guy is very, very volatile. This is the most volatile pair on this platform. Okay, so you don't want to play with this guy. You don't want the spy to catch you. So I hope I explained this better now. You understand what I just explained now. All right, so now this is the strategy I'm giving out. This strategy, like I said, is crash 1000 B1000 strategy. You scalp with this strategy. All right, so you use the zoom level. This is the zoom level 1 and 2. Zoom level 2 is okay. So far you can see what the candlesticks is okay. Then you are catching 5 to 8 candlesticks, 5 to 8 ticks, then you jump out. 5 to 8 ticks, you're out. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys the settings. All right, so the first indicator you're bringing in will be the MA. You're bringing in the MA. All right, the period is 60, shift is 0, method is promoted, apply to typical price. We have the style here, we have green. Okay, you can use any color of your choice. That's it. Okay, so guys, you know what, there's a report, HFT report that is going on. I have here that trades and pass pro-firm account evaluation phases. If you have 2 evaluation phases, I'll pass them in just 2 days or in less than 2 days. Every 5 minutes I can pass a particular pro-firm account. Okay, then yeah, it's that simple. So what you just need to do is to know, we'll show you we will recommend brokers that will allow you to use the HFT to trade. Okay, so all you just need to do your registration and let us know, then we help you pass your pro-firm. Okay, though it's not for free, guys, but then it's very, very cheap. You know, a lot of people doesn't statistics shows that about 75% or 70 or 75% people, traders, doesn't hardly pass their pro-firm evaluation phase. Yeah, it's facts. So why is it like that? It's because of the conditions and the fear. If you'll be able to pass the challenge, that's why you lose. So but if you can pass the challenge, you know, the main thing is just for you to face your live account. And you see that when you're trading even the evaluation manually, you sometimes make some profit, then after a while you lose everything. But now if you can pass your pro-firm and you are funded, you know that little profit you're making, even if you bought an account with $100 and you're making $400 profit, that means you can share 200. You can share with the pro-firm and get your own share. You also get back the money using purchasing the account. So it's very helpful. It's just the fastest way to make money. I'm using that as well. Okay, so yeah, that's for the report. In just 3 minutes you pass your pro-firm account. So now you go back again to add the second indicator. The second indicator you have to add to create the indicator window one will be RSI. Okay, relative strength index. Okay, so the period here is 8, apply to typical price. Levels here we have level 90, we have 80, we have 20 and 10. Click on done. The style we have black, you click on done and go back. That's the black indicator we have on the indicator window 1. Okay, then you go back again. We are adding this guy, moving average of oscillator. We click on it. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. The style here I'm using, really can use any color of your choice. We go back again. We're adding this guy. All right, so MA, the period is 4, shift is 0, method is linear weighted. Take note of that, linear weighted. Okay, apply to typical price. Then the color you can use red. If you like, you click on done. So we're about to add the last MA, which is MA, this MA here, and the period is 8, shift is 0, method is exponential. Remember, this one is exponential, the method is exponential, while the other one is linear weighted. So take note of that. Apply to typical price. The color here is blue, and you click on done. All right, so this is how to use this strategy. You just have to wait. When markets you see price above, first of all you need to switch to 30 minutes time frame or maybe your 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so when you switch to your 30 minutes time frame or your 15 minutes time frame, sorry, this is crash 300, let's go to crash 1000. All right, so when you go to your 30 minutes time frame, you'll realize that this MA, this green MA on the main chart is above the current price, which means that we are in a downtrend. All right, we are in a downtrend. So this crash 1000 now will be crashing whenever it gets to some key zones, because we are in a downtrend. Whenever market gets to some key zones, it will spike because we are in a downtrend. It will crash because we are in a downtrend, because this indicator, this stuff indicates that we are in a downtrend. But if this green indicator was below the current price, that means we are in an uptrend. So in this case, it's hard for you to really scalp B1000 on the 1 minute time frame. Why? Because we have the MA on the 30 minutes time frame above the current price. So even if it goes up, it's not really a good one. All right, so if we have the MA, below on the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame, then what you need to do now, observe now, will be this indicator window 1. Okay, so whenever market drops from up here to this level, you need to be sure that this red moving average oscillator, okay, it has dropped to the level 20, level 10. Okay, that's the first confirmation. The second confirmation is this black line. See this black line, right? That's the second confirmation. This black line must touch the level 10 or level 20, and it goes below level 20 somehow. Then yeah, so you must have the black indicator and the red volume here to the below this level 20 and level 10. All right, then you also confirm that you have this red MA and the blue MA around this level 10 and 20. All right, so once it gets to level 10, once the blue and red indicator gets to level 10, it crosses. You see the red crossing the blue upward. Once it crosses, you're opening a position around this level. Once you open a position, you're taking 5 candlesticks to 8 candlesticks, 5 to 8 ticks, and you're out. All right, you make your money. I'm not saying don't go more than above 8 candles, 8 ticks. Why? Because unless you know price action, if you understand price action and you know the market structure, you know the where the market is actually heading, right? The market direction, then is a good one. But then if you don't know, it's really bad for you to take more than 8 ticks. Okay, so that's it, guys. So please join the free Telegram channel. We give both currency and synthetic indices signals. We manage accounts. If you have up to $200 above, you can meet me for accounts management. Then we provide signals. The academy is open every time for new students. Okay, so join the academy, guys. Join the academy and start learning how to make money by yourself. Okay, yeah, like and subscribe to this video. We drop free signals every week. We drop free signals on synthetic indices and currency. Okay, so join the free Telegram channel. If you have any challenge, anything at all, just chat me up. Check the description of this video to chat me up. Let's make money together. Let's grow. All right, that'll be all for now. Bye bye.